Okay, and welcome to this video on installing an application using RPM install package. It's really quite simple. I've downloaded the RPM install package here on my desktop. It could be on a CD or other media, it doesn't matter. And all you do is you just double click and it launches the install program automatically. And that's about it. So it's going to run and it's going to install this for me. Now it might take a few moments, but in no time it will be done. So we'll just be patient, and there it is. Okay, additional requirements required. Okay, so this tells me I need to also install an update. Okay, so when this happens, I got to put in my root password to give me full administrative permissions. Now, if you don't remember what that root password is, you're going to have problems. Okay, so this will set up the new package that it needed. It's all done automatically for you. It's not too difficult. And we should be done shortly. Okay, so Flash is now installed. So let's test it out. We'll go to flash.com, www.flash.com, and it's going to go to the Flash site, and it's loading the Flash video, so it obviously works. And if this loads up, you know that your Flash video is set to go. Alright, so installing RPM packages is really simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. This has been a Funky Video production. This is John Funk signing out. Remember, be careful out there and stay cool.